Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me here. My name is Rishabh Salvant. I'm not a financial advisor. Now, Shibnobi is going parabolic. Alright? Now, if you want to become rich, then I think that Shibnobi is your ticket to riches beyond your wildest dreams. Let me explain why. I think that Shibnobi, by within the next few months, within this quarter, alright, it will at least double your money. Meaning to say, it will go from a market cap of 500 million to 1 billion. Alright, that's what I think about Shibnobi right now. And is it a good time to invest or not? That's up to you, depends on your risk appetite. Because in the past few days, Shibnobi has gone up quite substantially. Is today a good time to buy? Maybe not the best time to buy, but if it goes down further in the next few days, and if you have been looking at this project, then it might be a good time to buy. Of course, there are risks involved as well, and I will go through the risks just in a bit. Now, yesterday I made a video, right? In that video, I did say that particular video was about Saitama, by the way, a failed project. Now, I did make a video about Saitama yesterday, and in that video, I said that maybe the market could turn around today. And if the market turns around today, when I say market, I basically just mean Bitcoin. If Bitcoin turns around today and maybe it goes up by 3-4%, Saitama could go up by a much larger multiple, maybe 10% or 10 to 15% basically. Today, Bitcoin turned around, it went up by 8.4%. That is insane for Bitcoin at its price and at that market cap. That move is insane, but it's not uncommon. It does swing wildly on both the sides. So Bitcoin made a huge move today. It's up by 8.4%. For the week though, it's down by 10.74%. If it goes up by another 2+%, then we could essentially make back all the losses that were made in the past 7 days. Ethereum, let me just show you my screen right now. So here you go. Ethereum is up by 10.14%, and then we have BNB that's up by 8.4%. Cardano is up by 5.72%. Solana is up by 12.45%. XRP up by 6.2%. Terra Luna up by a measly 1.22%. Dogecoin up by 9.5%. Polkadot 11.16%. Avalanche 18.05%. Wow, that's pretty good. And then Shiba Inu is up by 10.03%. There's no coming back for Shiba Inu. Out of all these top meme coins, I think that if anything makes a huge comeback, it's going to be Dogecoin, because you can't go against Goliaths like Mark Cuban and Elon Musk. When these guys are backing up your project, you have nothing to worry about. Whereas for Shiba Inu, I don't really see any major business influencer backing Shiba Inu, except maybe a couple of YouTubers here and there, but not somebody like Elon Musk. All right. Now, Polygon is another coin that I've been looking at, and that is up by 10.20% as well. So if Ethereum goes up, this will go up. Now, in yesterday's video, I didn't really call it out. I didn't predict that today the market will turn around. I said it could turn around today because we had back-to-back down days for a very long time, both in crypto market and in stock market. And I was expecting that there would be a turnaround. Now, the stock market on the second half of yesterday was when the stock market started going up. Because I was actively watching Facebook stock, because Facebook had dropped down to almost 200s. It was in the late 200s. It had broken down the $300 support, and I scooped up some more shares at about $290 per share, and it brought down my average quite considerably, because my average before that was 316. So right now my average is a little bit lower. And then just a few hours later, I think it was just down for like 1 or 2 hours, and then it started going up. I haven't checked today yet, but I think the stock market is not that bad today either. And here we are, the crypto market is making huge moves today, and I thought that Saitama will go up as well, but guess what? Saitama, right now I'm going through all the coins that I've ever talked about on this channel. So let's start off with Shibnobi. Shibnobi has gone up today by 33.61%. Alright, this is insane. Saitama is down, unfortunately, still down by 6.26%. It looks very grim. I mean, Saitama's future, to me at least, looks very grim. I'm not sure what's going to happen to Saitama, but I don't really keep up with much of Saitama news anymore like I used to. That's why I make way less videos about Saitama, and I've been focusing more on Shibnobi and some other coins. Then we have Cat Girl is another coin that I've talked about on this channel quite a lot, and it's up by 15.24%. Kuma Inu was one of the first coins that I've ever spoken about on this channel, and it is up by 36.53%. But of course, moves like this in a project like this, it's expected because the market cap is only $14 billion. When the market cap is this low, it's very easy. Just a little bit of liquidity will help push up the price of the coin to such heights. Alright, so why did Shibnobi go so high today? I mean, there's no way of knowing exactly why, but what I think is that the primary reason is basically the crypto market turned around today. It could be a dead cat bounce, I don't know. I was reading this article here on the Economic Times, and some people do believe that this could be a dead cat bounce. I am not too sure about that right now. I have not looked at the charts yet. However, if it is a dead cat bounce means it's a false rally. Alright, so it went up for some reason, and then a lot of investors start buying in, and then the price just tanks, and then we create another level of bag holders. Essentially, it could be one of those instances, but there's no way of knowing. We'll have to wait and see tomorrow what happens tomorrow, right? So Shibnobi, why did Shibnobi go up? Now, there was a major influencer that bought more Shibnobi today, about 14 hours ago. Mr. Bert, you might have seen his videos before. So, but when I looked at how much he bought, it's I think just about $1,000 worth of Shibnobi. Of course, not good enough to, make Shibnobi move up. Now, 16 hours ago, Shibnobi also released the upcoming listings that are coming up. Check this out. So we have Probit, Get.io, Swap by SafeMoon, BitTrue, and Albank. So there's a lot of listings coming up, and there are dates given here as well, the exact dates. And if you know a thing or two about Shibnobi, about Cliff Fatner, then you know that when they tell you that they will be doing something on a specific date, more likely than not, they will get it done. All right. And people trust this project. And when they put out information like this, look at the amount of engagement this got. When they put out news like this, tweets like this, people take it seriously. And of course, when there's a bit of positive sentiments in the overall crypto market, people who've been looking into Shibnobi will pull the trigger. They will either, add on to their existing bag, or people who were on the sidelines will take this opportunity to buy more. And I think that Shibnobi can easily 2x minimum, at least 2x within this quarter. Once all these listings come through, Of course, we have the dojo swap release. Minimum, I think that if the overall crypto market does not take a big hit, maybe tomorrow or the next day, then Shibnobi can essentially 2x, basically go up by 100%. What does that mean for the market cap? It means that the market cap will go from 500 million to $1 billion. Now, the market cap at this moment in time is, I found the circulating supply on Shibnobi's website. You just take this number, you plug it in here and multiply it by the price per coin, and there you go, you get the market cap. So it's $500 million right now, slightly over $500 million. To be precise, it's $513 million. If the listings come through, and if the overall crypto market doesn't take a huge hit, maybe Bitcoin goes up another 2%, comes down another 4%, goes, and the next day goes up by another 6%, comes down by another 2% on the following day. If this goes on, and if Bitcoin doesn't take another major hit and go down to what I think could be the lowest price in this bear cycle of 28k, that's I think like almost 20% away from where we are now. If Bitcoin doesn't make that kind of a crazy downward move, then, and if Shibnobi delivers on the promises, then Shibnobi can definitely 2x. All right, so it's an easy 2x in my personal opinion. This is not a financial advice, but if I was one of those people who have been on the sidelines on this particular project and have been trying to time their entry, maybe now will be a good time to really start taking it seriously and maybe pull the trigger. Not today specifically, because today I would never buy today. If I was not invested in this project, I would never buy it today because it's already up by 33.61%. If okay, we can't get a clear picture here, but if I look at DEX tools, I don't think it's going to be a good buying opportunity right now when it's up by 33.61%. It could drop in the next few days, and maybe that could be a good entry point, right? Let me know, what do you think? Do you think that this is a good entry point now, or would it be better maybe to wait for a day or two and wait things to cool down a little bit, have a little bit of consolidation going on? Because we have been trending down for quite some time now, and today we just had this huge major spike. I mean, it started yesterday when the stock market turned around yesterday in the second half of the trading session yesterday. When the stock market turned around, I noticed that the crypto market quickly turned around as well. So the crypto market is closely following the trends of the stock market. Let me know if you have noticed the same, or do you think it's the other way around? Do you think it's the crypto market following the stock? Sorry, do you think it's the stock market following the crypto market? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you have noticed, because all of us have different opinions on these things, and all these things are subjective. Nobody knows the right answers. Nobody knows what the market is going to do tomorrow, right? These are all just our best guesses. Sometimes we get it right, sometimes we get it wrong. We just try to ensure that we are right more number of times than we are wrong. And that's how we make money, right? So let me know your thoughts. Drop a like on this video so that more people looking into this project can find this video and learn about this amazing community. And leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Alright? So that's it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.